Fredbear, it's good to see you again. It's been so long.
Oh, indeed it has, Bonnie. Your bow tie is looking ever so purple tonight, and oh so charming.
Shucks, Freddy. Is that a new top hat I see?
This old thing, same as it ever been, but hey, let me tell you about my new singing voice.
New singing voice? Wow! How'd that happen?
I put in a good word with Mr. Emily and Mr. Afton right there. They've made it so I can sing a very special birthday song to a very special birthday boy.
A birthday? Whose birthday is it? Is it Michael's?
No.
Is it Jeremy's?
No.
Ooh, I've got it. It's the littlest bear of the bunch. Evan.
That's right, Bonnie. He's turning the big 1-0, double digits.
He's 11 years old.
No, that's 10 years old, isn't it?
Oh, I thought you were talking two of a kind, 1 and 1, like us.
You're too sweet, Bonnie. 11's for another time. Maybe next year?
Well, hey, you know what does have two things in it, Fredbear? The name of the song we're about to sing. I saw it on the song list.
Too right, Bonnie. I think we best hop to it.
Take it away, Fredbear.
This here song is dedicated to Evan Afton, the best little bud any of us could ask for. Lying in my bed, I hear the clock tick and think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback.